Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. Welcome back to another video. I've got another pretty cool product to show you here today. It's called a safe jack. It's basically, it's like a floor jack for your car. If you are the type of person who's a do-it-yourselfer and twice a year you are swapping your wheels, your summers for your winters for your summers, then this is a product I think that you should consider. When you're swapping your wheels around twice per year, sometimes you're just using a floor jack to hold a corner of your car up while you swap the wheel, your winter for your summer. And for the most part, the floor jacks are pretty reliable. It'd be pretty rare for your floor jack to fail. But being an IT guy, things like redundancy and failover is just how my mind works. So I'm just thinking that if there is a failure of your floor jack, in the rare instance that may happen, you're at great risk of personal injury with the car, corner of the car collapsing. You're also, if you escape personal injury, you're in for a world of hurt in terms of repair costs for your vehicle and that type of thing. So I'm going to show you how you can use this type of a product. Actually, I'm going to tell you how you can use this type of a product to have some redundancy, and I'm going to show you in the spring. It's going to be a good another month and a half before I have to swap my wheels, but I want to tell you about it today, and then I'm going to follow up in about 6 weeks or so with an actual video of how to use this. So let's get started. Let me explain why I think you need this as a redundancy solution. Since an actual demonstration of how I'm going to use this is a good 6 weeks away, what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox it, and I'm just going to explain through how I intend to use it. So first, let's do an unboxing here, see what you get in the box, and then we'll talk about the use case for it and how you can improve your safety when you swap your wheels around. Okay, let's get started on this unboxing. Okay, I picked this up actually on a Boxing Day sale, direct from the manufacturer, so safejacks.com. Teslarati, who I also have no affiliation with whatsoever, I'm just going to mention them because I know that they sell a Tesla Red version of this product on their website, which I probably would have gotten instead of this one, but they were sold out on Boxing Day. At the time I'm filming this, they actually have a 25% discount on that red special edition Tesla Safe Jack on their site. So I'm going to link that below. Again, I've got nothing to do with these people. I just think it's a good product, and if you can get the special Tesla edition one, then you should, especially for 25% off. Okay, so we've got a manual here, and I'm just going to kind of point this to the camera over here. And you can see what it does is basically holds up a corner of your car as any floor jack would do. However, it's got a unique design. I1 Tesla has kind of a great video showing you how he uses it. I'm going to link that below as well. But basically, in a safe way, keeps your car very secure when you've got it jacked up in order to swap your tires. So what I'm going to do is something a little bit different, because what I'm going to do is I'm not going to actually take the floor jack away. So I'm going to have the floor jack and the jack stand so that I have a redundancy. So if the floor jack fails, I've got the jack stand, and that way it'll prevent personal injury or a heck of a lot of damage to my car. So that's my use case for it. And let's kind of go through and see what you get in the box. We've got some paper. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I've seen some videos where people are actually using this, but I haven't actually seen an unboxing. So this will tell you kind of like what that experience is like, and initial first impressions of the product. So this is a really solid piece of like steel. It's like it's a stiffy, this one. Very solid. Okay, let's put that over here. It's gonna make a clang. Sorry about the clang. Okay, so we have a jack point here. So you have to order this with the product, because if you don't have this, I don't recommend you using it, because this is specifically designed for Tesla vehicles. In this case, the Model 3. My understanding is that it would probably work with the Model S or X as well. Ironically or tragically, I'm not sure if the right word, but it also works with a Porsche, apparently. So if you have one of those. Okay, so let's just open that up, take that out of the package. And it's a variation of the the hockey puck thing that you make on your own, that just basically fits into the hole that's under the frame of your Model 3 or Model S or X or whatever. And it fits in perfectly and allows you to jack up the car without fear of it kind of slipping off. So, okay, that's that there. We've got some other, I'm sure this is useful. I don't know what it is yet, but it's another piece. We've got some pins. So basically, again, I'm going to link that video from I1 Tesla, but when you put it up, you kind of put the pins in it, and it gets secured. All right, we've got the other half of it. So if we look at these two pieces like this, and then if you imagine a bar going across the top of it, that's going to be your jack stand, essentially. And in this case, the way I'm going to use it is going to be my failover, just in case something happens with the floor jack. Okay, clang, little clang. What else do we have in the box here? All right, so that's the bar that goes across the two pieces that I just showed you. And we've got, looks to be like some kind of a washer piece of some sort. And that's basically it. Let me put this away down here and get rid of this. Okay. Yeah, so there you have it, and that bar is going to go across. And so essentially when I have my Tesla up on the floor jack, as I mentioned, I'm going to keep the weight kind of on both places. So I'm going to have this as my failover, just in case that floor jack, I don't know, decides to collapse or something. Stranger things have happened, right? So I know what you're thinking too, is that this is, a couple $100. I think, with the 25% off right now, it's less. Why buy this? Why not just take your car to somebody and, like a garage of some sort, and they do it for you? Well, some garages might not have the right, might not have the right jack pads. I'm gonna have to cut that out. I don't know. Might not have the right jack pads, for example. I know a friend with a Tesla who went to Costco last year to get his tires swapped, and they didn't have the proper jack pads. So, so that's one reason I like to be in control of that. The other reason is, to me, it's not about cost. Yes, you could go, I don't know, pay your $20 or your $40, depending on where you live and, how much it costs in your area to get your tires swapped. For me, it's not about the money, it's about the convenience, because sometimes you'll go and if you're lucky, maybe it's a couple of hours, you get your car back. Sometimes your car is there the whole day, especially if you let it go too long before winter starts, or right when spring starts. Everybody's a mad rush to places that change and swap tires around. So I like to do it at my convenience. That's why I do it. It's not a money thing. So I do it on a Sunday. It takes me about 45 minutes and I'm done. I don't have to wait around anywhere. So in about 6 weeks, I'm going to follow up with another video, which will be a live demonstration of this. In the meantime, I just wanted to show you the product, tell you where you can get it, and tell you how I'm going to use it. So if you have any comments, please leave them down below. And thank you very much for watching Tesla Canuck. Over and out.